Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to show your profile in search engines on Pinterest using your PC following the latest updates. If you want more repins, followers, and traffic from Pinterest, optimizing your Pinterest profile properly is key. Pinterest SEO is the practice of optimizing pins, boards, and profiles on Pinterest to improve their visibility and ranking in Pinterest search results. Let's get started. Alright, first things first. Let's open up Pinterest on your computer. Head to Pinterest.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your home feed with all sorts of inspiring pins. Next, look for the gear icon. It's typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu, where you can tweak various aspects of your Pinterest experience. Click on it, and a panel will slide out. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with options to customize your account. In the Settings menu, you'll want to find the Profile Visibility section. It's usually listed under Account Settings or Privacy Settings. Here, you'll see an option related to search privacy. This setting controls whether your profile can be discovered by search engines like Google, as well as within Pinterest itself. Now, to make sure your profile shows up in search results, you'll want to disable the search privacy option. If it's currently enabled, it might be preventing your profile from being indexed by search engines. Simply toggle the switch to the off position. This tells Pinterest that you're okay with your profile being visible to search engines. Why is this important? Well, think of Pinterest as more of a search engine than a traditional social media channel. Optimizing content increases the chances of reaching a larger audience, driving more organic traffic to your website, and increasing brand visibility and engagement with your target audience. When people search for topics related to your pins, you want your profile to appear in the results. This can significantly increase your reach, drive more traffic to your website, and ultimately help you grow your brand. While you're in the settings, take a moment to optimize your profile. Make sure your profile includes relevant keywords, as this helps the Pinterest algorithm categorize your content, increasing domain quality in search results. Craft descriptive, keyword-rich titles and descriptions for each pin to help Pinterest's algorithm understand the content and match it with relevant search terms. Ensure your boards are well organized and have clear, descriptive titles. High-quality images are also crucial for engaging your audience. All of these elements work together to improve your visibility and attract more followers. Don't forget about engagement. User engagement is super important on Pinterest. The more people interact with your pins, the higher they'll rank in search results. Also, consistency in pinning can improve your profile's reach. Aim to post new content regularly to keep your audience engaged and attract new followers. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your profile visibility settings on Pinterest. By following these steps, you're making it easier for people to discover your content and connect with your brand. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your Pinterest presence grow.